In this video, I'll show you how to use MCP servers in Cursor. First, open Cursor and open the project where you want to use an MCP server. Next, open Cursor Settings and select the Tools and Integrations or MCP section, depending on your Cursor version. Now, choose the option to add an MCP server and enter the configuration provided by your MCP server. This can include a command, server URL, environment variables, or authentication credentials. After that, save the configuration and check that the MCP server appears as connected. Next, open Cursor Agent and start a new request. Now ask the agent to use one of the tools provided by your MCP server. After that, review the tool request before allowing it to run, especially if the tool can modify files, access accounts, or change external data. Next, check the response and confirm that Cursor received the expected information from the MCP server. If the server doesn't connect, return to the MCP settings and verify the command, URL, credentials, and environment variables. Finally, test the available tools with a simple request and keep the MCP server enabled when you need Cursor to interact with that external service. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use MCP servers in Cursor. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.